What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. We're going to be replacing our outer belt moldings on my Foxbody. Alright guys, today we are going to be replacing this outer belt molding on my Mustang. Obviously it looks pretty good, right? Well, it's already been replaced, but as you can see, it's not attached very well, and there's a reason for that. Back behind this are some clips. These are the clips that go behind this. I was in a rush whenever I did this, threw this thing together, and some of these clips are broken. So what we're going to do is go in today and replace them. But with that being said, I'm not sure that I have the correct size of rivets, so we may be in a mess. But either way, we're going to go ahead and kind of work our way through the process. And I'll show you guys how to do it, even if the rivets don't fit. We'll pretend like they do anyway. It's a real simple process, but if these moldings are loose on your car, you probably need to go ahead and check, make sure your clips are still attached to the back and not broken. I'll show you how to get these things off. It only takes just a minute. It's right here on the inside of your door. At the rear of it, you'll find a screw. All you want to do is take this screw out and just pull. That's it, guys. That is all there is to this. As you guys can see, my nasty tape line here, but this is where we tape the car off because I have new ones and they need to be replaced, but I don't think I have the rivets, guys, or I would go ahead and replace those today. But I'm pretty sure I'm not going to have enough rivets to do these. But this would be the time that you would come in and you would replace this too. Pretty easy to do. You just drill them out and pop some new ones in. But for today, all we're going to be tackling is this. So I'm not 100% sure why this thing did not clip down, because it's actually only missing one. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and replace this. I'm thinking that this rivet will work. We're going to try it and see. Looks like it goes in. All right, so that's the way you want to do it. Find you a rivet. They sell these at Harbor Freight. You can go pick up like a multi-pack of them. And then this particular rivet gun is what I recommend to use, simply because you get a lot of torque on it and it has the really small attachment on it also. I will put a link to one on Amazon if you guys are interested. All right guys, let's go ahead and do this. All you want to do is open your rivet gun up like this, slide it over the rivet. Make sure it's down and squeeze. Open and squeeze. And that's it, guys. That's all you need. Now I'll tell you guys, up here is typically where you're going to run into your problems at, right on your mirror. So you may have to loosen your mirror up to be able to get this to slide on. The mirror actually slides in right here. See the little ledge right there on the mirror? That attaches to this. So a lot of times what happens is that mirror is too tight, or either warped up through the years from sitting out in the sun. It'll be tweaked ever so slightly, and this will not attach to it. It won't slide in and lock. And when that happens, you're doing a lot of this, and you could really scratch your car up if you're not careful. So I feel like mine's going to go back pretty good, but we will check it and see. So all you want to do is take these notches right here and line them up with this. So you just want to line those up as best as possible. Push down. This is what I'm talking about right here. If you guys can see that gap or not right there. I'll try to brighten it up for you so you can see. What we're going to have to do is loosen the mirror ever so slightly, or I may be able to pull on it some and get this to slide in and lock. This thing needs to push that way a little bit more. Now in your package you'll get some new screws. I suggest just go ahead and use those, put your old ones up. Trying to line this hole up is not always the easiest. As you can see on my car, I got lucky. I was able to just kind of tweak the mirror just a little bit. But what I'll do whenever I do the other side is I'll take you over there, I'll show you how to remove the mirror, or loosen the mirror I should say, and how you might have to adjust it in that way.
I remember when times so hard for me. I remember when I found it hard to sleep. I was giving up, I had to give it up, I had to give it everything I gotta give to get a little push. How you feel? Tell me how you feel.
To loosen or remove your mirror, all you have to do is take the screw out of this. Some of you guys probably don't even have this anyway. That's very common. And as a matter of fact, I'm missing a nut on mine. So you can either use an 11/32 or 9mm to get this off. I'm not going to take it all the way off because I don't want it to fall and scratch my car. So I recommend to just loosen it enough where you can get some wiggle room on it. So we have one that's broken here. I'm going to take this opportunity to show you guys how to drill out a rivet and how to replace something like this. This applies for anything that has a rivet already on it. So all you have to do is find the appropriate drill bit, drill it out, and you're good to go. All right, this is about the size that I like to use on a rivet like this. You don't have to be precise. The main thing you want to do is just take the head of it off. Typically what's going to happen is you're going to be left with something like this, and all you have to do is tap that down. I have a punch right here that will work really good for that, but I assume not everybody has a punch, so let's use something else. So since not everybody probably has a punch, we'll go ahead and try the screwdriver. It should work fine. All you want to do is hit that and force it through. Just like that. As you can see, these things have a recess on the inside of them. So if you see how this sits flush now, sits down through it, that's the way it's going to go. As you can see, they are all replaced now, so we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. And that right there, guys, is what you're looking for right here in this door when you're trying to put your screw in. Sometimes it's hard to find, but that's what you're looking for down here at the end.
Pushing against the grain. Watch the clock tick and fade.
All right, guys, we are done. Everything is locked down, it's secured. So if these things are not locked down properly, they will come off. And like I said, I got really lucky over there on that side, but I guess they just didn't lock in. Not much else I can say about that. I do want to talk to you guys about a few other things, if you don't mind. You know I like to talk. I've heard that many times in the comment sections. I have had a few people ask how they can support the channel. So there's a couple different ways you can do that. I don't do Patreon, I don't do donations, I don't do any of that. We may do that later on, but not right now. So the way that you can support my channel, there's an Amazon affiliate link down below in the description. If you guys will click on that and purchase whatever it was that you were gonna purchase before. You don't have to purchase anything based off of my reviews or anything like that. Just click that link, and what it does is I get a percentage of whatever you buy. So once you click that link, it's like a portal. You go through that portal and then you can shop around, and anything that you want to buy, you buy. This is very easy for you guys to do. It doesn't cost you anything, so I think it's a great way to support the channel. Also, there's always an LMR link down below. There's an LMR homepage link. So if you guys are going to order anything from LMR, please click that link. It's the same thing. It's a homepage link. You can click it and go in and purchase whatever it was you were wanting to purchase. What that does is the same thing. It shows traffic. Now, I don't make anything off this, but it makes the channel look really good. Basically, it just lets LMR know that you guys are watching this channel and you are supporting this channel. I get no cut off of this whatsoever. One of my subscribers' nephew passed away not too long ago, and at a really young age. I always preach, guys, spend time with your family, get them included. You know, get them out here and work on these cars with you if you can. These are memories that you are making with your friends, with your family, that I'm telling you that will live on forever. Either it'll live on through you or them or whoever else, okay? Take pictures, take videos, get out here and enjoy this. Also, down below there will be a link to David's GoFundMe page. The info will be at the end of this video. So please, guys, if you will, stick around. I did a little dedication to him at the end of this video. And as always, thanks for watching.
All my friends have gone away. So long to them, but I have to stay. All my woes and all my lows won't change my soul.
I want to leave you guys with something. Myself and Steven were talking. That's David's uncle, and he wanted me to let you guys know just how important these cars are to everyone. You know, not just us, but to everyone that's been involved in our hobbies with us. You know, that's what we'll be remembered by. You know, that's what David's going to be remembered by with Steven. You know, every time he looks at his Mustang, he's going to remember his nephew helping him turn wrenches. It's not just Mustangs, it's cars in general, it's hobbies, it's whatever you're involved in, it's whatever you're passionate about.
Mustangs. I like Mustangs, but
I always preach passion because it matters. It's like Steven said, he'll always remember him every time he looks at his Mustang. This just reminded me just how short life is. You never know what might happen come tomorrow, guys. So, Steven, I'm so sorry, and I hope you and your family are well. You'll be in everybody's thoughts and prayers.